So welcome back guys. In this video, as from the thumbnail you can see that we are going to discuss about a different topic, right? So if you expect something technical from this video, well, you are not going to get that. So in that case you can skip it, or if you have some interest you can watch till the end, right? So today's topic is, can AI really replace engineers? Why we are discussing this topic? Well, nowadays everyone is talking about AI, and especially nowadays you can see that in each and every field the use of AI has become just unavoidable, right? You cannot skip it, you have to use it. Okay, so tomorrow you just imagine you wake up and you find that in your office there is a new AI tool which can perform all of your tasks, and you are going to lose your job, right? So it sounds scary, right? So is it really true? Are we really going to lose our job as a civil or structural engineer? Well, in this video we'll try to find out that answer, right? So basically for the last 2 or 3 years AI has developed massively. Okay, and the primary function where the AI nowadays is being used most massively, that is in your coding. So the companies related to coding, okay, they are using it, you can say that, to the maximum extent, and many engineers have lost their jobs because their work was to code any program, and any AI, whether it is ChatGPT, whether it is Grok, whether it is Gemini, any basic, your like Claude, any basic AI is expert in coding, right? So now come to our picture. What's going to happen with us? Our main works related to simply conceptualize a structure, then we have to calculate the loads, then we have to design it, right? Then we have to construct it, and finally we need to maintain it. So we will try to find out from the AI perspective whether they can do all of this work. If they can do all of this work, here you can see these robots are busy in doing some construction, while this is also made by AI, right? I have done all of these things through the use of ChatGPT simply. So our question is whether the AI can do all of these tasks. If the answer is yes, definitely we have no need in this society. Okay, so but it is not at all true. As you have already know that AI is perfect for coding, or you simply feed any chatbot your IS code, definitely it can answer perfectly if you instruct it that you have to answer only from the feeding code. Not only that, if you have some repetitive job like making reports, making PPTs, or you can say sometime the Excel calculation, this work can also be done by the AIs, right? I also execute this type of jobs, for example making this PPT by using AI. But is it our function in the core? Do we really work for PPT preparation or report preparation as an engineer? No, right? So let's say this is a situation, again this is made by AI, I have done it. Okay, so you can see the construction work is going on. Let's say you are the construction supervisor standing here because it's raining. Okay, so imagine this situation. In this situation, is it possible for an AI to supervise all this construction work? Is it possible? Can simply AI stand here and it notice that there is a poor workmanship, the slump is not correct, right? Or you can see that there is a missing reinforcement. Maybe in some days, maybe after few decades, yes, all of these workers will be replaced by the bots, and they will scan whether the river spacing is perfect or not. But till then, all of these guys are secured in their job, because for till now Nowadays, AI cannot stand on the side and notice the poor workmanship. It is not possible for it, right? Not only that, nowadays, the biggest challenge is as a site engineer, you have some responsibility, right? And it is legal responsibilities. Can any AI company take it on behalf of you? My answer is no. So, as a construction engineer, supervisor, your job is safe. AI can't do anything to you, right? So, this is a very, what you can say, this is a very superficial explanation. Now, I'm going to discuss about the core. Why AI can't replace us? Why? AI is a very good data interpreter. It can predict very well based on the data you have provided in its terminal. Okay, that means AI is not intelligent. Why I am using this intelligent word? AI is very good to summarize anything, to remember everything. You may forget about some codal provision of IS 800. You may forget some codal provision of AISC. But once you feed AI in the form of data, it will not make any mistake, right? But what about the conceptualization, right? So there are many fields where we really need engineers. For example, okay, so let's say you are going to construct a refinery. First, what you have to do, you have to fix the site through preliminary survey. Well, you can take help from AI to read the data of survey, but finally you have to judge which one is most feasible. Okay, next, AI can calculate load. Once you give him or her, whatever may be the bot gender, the area, height, location, seismic zone, it can calculate the loading. But who will judge whether the wind category in terrain is going to be A or B or C? Here, engineers is needed. So load is calculated. Now the design part, right? So in design part also, the AI will perfectly check whether all the codal provisions are complied or not, right? But let's say you, here is the entrance of a frame, okay, and you need to provide some bracing. So AI what will do? Say it will provide bracing like this or this. But the fact is, in this entrance you need to put some passage for vehicles also. So AI can do it? No. You have to come here, put a bracing like this. So each and everywhere engineers is needed. Where engineers is not needed, that is the main point. Nowadays maximum engineers are busy with all of these bullshits, making reports, data entry, checking clauses. No, all of these jobs are going to be eliminated by this guy. He can do all of this because these are repetitive jobs, right? As an engineer, you have to focus on core principle about the design philosophy, about the analysis part, about the judgment part. Only in that case you can survive in future, because with time AI will develop more and maybe more calculations that nowadays we are going to do is going to be done by these AIs only. But to survive in this industry, what you have to do, you have to focus solely on core design principles, right? You have to focus on the analysis part, right? You have to know how to divert some problems, or by your engineering judgment, how you can solve a problem in a better way. Okay, and only in that case you will have your jobs. In that case, what you will do, you will supervise the work done by AIs. Otherwise, you will lose your job. So, from this time, from the very next day, if you're watching this video, from the very next day, your only task is now, whatever you do, just try to integrate AI with that. Okay, if you take any work, let's say for doing any work you are taking now 3 hours, and in these 3 hours maybe the design part and other part is 2 hour, but report, PPT, these are taking another 1 hour. Try to use here. Okay, so I have put here a quote: technology has never eliminated engineering, it has changed engineering. So as a progressive engineer, what you have to do, you have to reinforce AI in your career. Join any course, any AI course, learn how to use it. Okay, and on day-to-day basis you will simply use AI. For your information, I just would like to say, if you simply, after watching this video, go ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, any software, okay, any AI software, and just ask it, simply ask it, please make a moment connection picture. You know that, right? And definitely it will prepare a picture very realistic. But these detailings, you have no idea where which one is going to be connected. You have no idea. It's a blunder. Just check it. Once you complete this video watching, go to ChatGPT, ask it, please prepare a beam column junction or moment connection or shear connection, any type of detailing or slab base. Let's say you have two I section, then you need to connect it. Okay, so prepare a connection using this AI, and only that, only after that you will realize why I am saying that the engineers who have core knowledge about detailing, designing, and conceptualization, they will never lose their job. Okay, so that's it for now. Well, if you are interested about courses, in that case, yes, in the description there is link, you may join it or not. Okay, perfectly fine, but don't forget to give a like, right? Thank you for tolerating me for this long time. Have a great weekend ahead.